Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by making sure dev C++ includes min.gw. This is the compiler that does the work. Once done, open dev C++ and create a new source file or a console project so you get a project structure. Save the file as cpp inside the project folder and name the project clearly. This ensures the compiler and linker target the correct output. Make sure the min.gw path was selected during install. Otherwise, set it now in Tools or Environment options so compilation can proceed. You now configure the build. Open Project Options and choose the C++ standard and any optimization or debug flags you need. Next, confirm all source files and required headers are added to the project, and add library names to the linker settings when you rely on external libs. Then click Compile or Compile and Run. Dev C++ will invoke min.gw to produce an object and executable. If you see errors, read the first error line. Subsequent errors often cascade from the first issue. You finish by running the executable from dev C++ or by navigating to the project's output folder and launching the exe directly. This confirms runtime behavior. Once done, inspect console output and fix any runtime or logic errors, then recompile. If compilation still fails, make sure min.gw is available on path and that dev C++ points to the correct compiler executable. As a key troubleshooting tip, check the first compiler error and include path mistakes. Fixing that one often results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.